enzyme concentration on the reaction rate. Beaker number 1 has 100% catalase. Beaker number 2 has 75% catalase. Beaker number 3 has 50% catalase. And beaker number 4 has only distilled water, that is control actually. We have 4 of these beakers and each beaker has 1% hydrogen peroxide. 40 ml of 1% hydrogen peroxide, because we are keeping the level of the concentration of hydrogen peroxide constant in part 1. Now we will start recording the data on page 25. We will have 4 trials. Trial 1 with 100% catalase, trial 2 with 75% catalase, trial 3 with 50% catalase, and trial 4 is the control, so no catalase. Now what we do, as we see, this tub is filled 2/3 with water, and here is our graduated cylinder. So we fill this graduated cylinder with water and put our hand here and put it inverted like this. So we try to avoid the air bubbles. Now we do not have air bubbles. One person in the group will be responsible to read the volume of oxygen. As the oxygen will come here, water level will go down and it will be read like 5 ml here, 10 ml here, 15 ml here, 20 ml here. So one person will hold it and will read it at every 10 seconds. One person needs to have a cell phone ready from 0 second, 10 second, 20 second, 30 second, 40 second, 50 second, and 60 second. So that person's responsibility is, say 0 second, then 10 second, 20 second. So when the person says 0 second, the person who is holding, read it here, it can be 1 ml or 0 ml. Then the person on the cell phone say 10 seconds. The person who is holding, read it. And don't get confused because it goes very fast. 4 or 5 ml does not make much difference. But say the reading. So one person will keep on recording the reading. One person will be writing, one person will hold it and say it. So like that it is. Now, this is our reaction ball. So who wants to hold it? You want to hold it? Okay. So now we will do it. So you will hold it. And this is the reaction ball. So what we do, we will put this rubber tubing, we will take it under the water and we will not move it up. The mouth should be inside the water. So you will hold it like this one here. Now, one person will take this one here, like number 1 beaker, 100% catalase and 1% hydrogen peroxide. So we add, and so one person will add catalase here, and then as soon as I add it, start the cell phone now. So 0 second. And then when it is 10, say 10 seconds. 10. So say the number.
1. 20. 20. 30. 27. 40, 32, 50, 37, 60, 41.
Okay, so 60 seconds we are done. Now you can take it out and just we will start trial 2. So what you will do now, we are done with the trial 1. We will do trial 2 with beaker 2 and 2x. So these one will be added, and when you add, soil it so the oxygen will be produced because of. So now you will take this bottle to the sink there. And wash it well. And if the bubbles go into the tube, put the water in the bubbles so the bubbles will go out. And now the same way you will repeat trial 2, and then when you are done, dispose it and start trial 3, and then dispose it. Start. So is it clear? So